Today's lesson is lesson 9, pronouns and antecedents. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Question 1. How many pronouns are there in the following sentence? Paul Stephen Barnard promised Rosalie Amato that he would vote for her. Paul Stephen Barnard promised Rosalie Amato that he would vote for her. So here noun is the, what is the noun? Noun is a name, Paul Stephen Barnard, and Rosalio Amato is the noun here, and that he would vote for her. Here he and her, two pronouns. Answer 2. He is a pronoun taking the place of Paul. He is the pronoun taking the place of Paul Stephen Barnard. Her is a pronoun taking the place of the Rosalie Amato. Question 2. What is an antecedent? Answer. An antecedent is the noun that pronoun stands for. An antecedent is the noun that a pronoun stands for. And what is an antecedent? An antecedent is the pronoun. An antecedent is the noun that a pronoun stands for. In the sentence above, the antecedent of the pronoun, he is the noun. He is the noun Paul Stephen Barnard. The antecedent of the pronoun her is the noun Rosalie Amato. In the sentence above, the antecedent of the pronoun he is the noun Paul Stephen Barnard, and the antecedent of the pronoun her is the noun Rosalie Amato. Question 3. Why are pronouns important? Why are pronouns important? Answer. Pronouns make language more smooth and efficient because they let us express ourselves without repetition and in fewer words. Pronouns make language more smooth and efficient because they let us express ourselves without repetition and in fewer words. If there were no pronouns, we would have to say Paul Stephen Barnard promised Rosalie Amato that Paul Stephen Barnard would vote for Rosalie Amato. So it takes the time much and it shortens the time. So we should have to take the pronoun to shorten the sentence, and it's also looks like smooth, like pronoun like Paul, like here we can pronounce again Paul Stephen Barnard promised Rosalie Amato that he would vote for her. So it's so smooth. In the exercise 1, in the blank space use a pronoun in the place of the italicized antecedent. Sample. Joyous has a new bicycle but has no used. Joyous has a new bicycle but has no used. So here we have to use it. The globes are currents, muffler is not hers. The globes are currents, the muffler is not hers. Let the soup cool before tasting it. There is a Jeff speaks to. There is a Jeff speaks to. Her. The magazine is Tom's, but the newspaper is not him or his. Chelisa has nothing to write with Lent. Chelisa has nothing to write with Lent. Chelisa has nothing to write with Lent. Number 5. Gina knows that is the next speaker. Thus he is the next speaker. Gina knows that she is the next speaker. Yes, she is the pronoun. Alex and Tony arrived, but there were no seats for what will be used? Them. So Alex and Tony, two noun is here. So we have here at Alex and Tony arrived, but there were no seats for them. Jolie did not come because she has a cold. Because the question was Jolly did not come because Dash has a cold. Jolly did not come because she has a cold. Number 8. If the 10th grade girls win today, that have chance for Dash have a chance for the championship. If the 10th grade girls win today, here will she have a chance, or they have a chance. They have a chance for championship. Number 9. Has anyone seen Mike's notebook? Is that one? Has anyone seen Mike's notebook? Is that one? Has anyone seen Mike's notebook? Is that one? Is that one? Has anyone seen Mike's notebook? Is that one his? Number 10. The stationery was Elaine's and the handwriting was dash too. The stationery was Elaine's and the handwriting was his too. Exercise 2. Find the pronoun and its antecedent and write them the spaces at the right. Find the pronoun and its antecedent and write them in the spaces. Find the pronoun and its antecedent and write them in the spaces at the right. Samples. Sandra said she does not agree. Here she is the pronoun and antecedent Sandra. So antecedent is nothing but the using the pronoun in the space of noun. Nouns is antecedent here. Sandra. The Declaration of Independence is an important historical document. The Declaration of Independence is an important historical document. It was issued on July 4, 1776. The Declaration of Independence is an important historical document. It was issued on July 4, 1776. So what is the pronoun here? The declaration of the incident is an important historical event. It was issued on it. So it here is the pronoun and antecedent, the Declaration of Independence. So let's go to the next exercise. The challenger knows that she cannot win. Here the pronoun is he and the challenger here is the antecedent. Number 2. Friday was stormy. It was a miserable day. Friday was stormy. So it was a miserable day. So it is a pronoun and Friday was stormy. Friday is the antecedent. Number 3. Ask Eric and Anna if they can come. So ask Eric and Anna if they can come. Eric and Anna is here the noun and you can say it's the antecedent. And if they can come, they here is the pronoun. Now next go to the next exercise. No one motel had a vacancy. No one motel has a vacancy. Each was booked to capacity. So no one motel is nothing but who gives service like hotel. In the foreign countries we can see motel rather than hotel. Motel gives some services. No one motel had a vacancy. No one motel had a vacancy. So motel has a vacancy. Each was booked to capacity. Each was booked to capacity. No one motel had a vacancy. No one motel had a vacancy. Each was booked to capacity. So here try to understand the what is the pronoun and what is the antecedent. No one motel had a vacancy. So what is telling about motel? Motel here is the each was booked to capacity. It was booked. Each was okay. Then we can find the no one motel. No one motel. Here motel is the antecedent and each is here is the pronoun. Each here is the each was booked to capacity. Number 5. We want a heat. Yelled the fans. We want a heat. Yelled the fans. We want a heat. Yelled the fans. So we want a heat. Yelled the fans. So what is telling about? That is telling about is the heat. We want a heat. We here is the antecedent and yell the fans. Yell the fans. we want hit. We here is the pronoun, or we is the here is the antecedent and pronoun el is the pronoun here. Number 6, Jess complained Sam has not invited me. Jess complained. Jess here is the antecedent and pronoun. Sam has not invited. Jess complained Sam has not invited me.